Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, looking at how to secure a Kenzan into a vessel. You want it to be stable so it doesn't come loose. If you put a heavy item, that it's locked into place. The technique, using floral clay. Pull off a small amount, usually an inch or two, doesn't take very much. Then roll it. Just like going back to grade school, kindergarten, preschool, like you're playing with Play-Doh. Roll it into a snake. Then wrap it around into a donut so that you have the ring. Then place that on the bottom of the Kenzan. Then when you place it into the vessel, push down and twist. And what that does is it creates a suction and holds it in place, very sturdy, very strong, so you don't have to worry. Now you know the pro technique for working with a Kenzan.